everyone, welcome back. In today's session, we're going to dive into a very important concept in artificial intelligence: general problem-solving methods. Now, problem-solving in AI is really just about one thing: moving from where you are right now, your initial state, to where you want to be, your goal state. And to get there, you take a series of actions. Let's break that down. Imagine you're lost in a city, and you want to reach your friend's house. You know where you are. That's your initial state. You know where your friend lives. That's your goal state. Every turn you take is an action. The total travel distance or time you spend, that's your path cost. In AI, we define problems in exactly this way: initial state, where you begin; goal state, where you want to end up; actions, the possible moves you can take; path cost, how much each action adds to the total cost. And the state space is simply the map of all possible situations you can be in starting from your initial state. Search algorithms help us navigate through this state space to find the optimal path. The vacuum world, our first toy problem. To understand how we model problems, let's start with a very simple example: the vacuum world. Here we have a tiny world with just two locations, A and B. A vacuum cleaner can be in either location, and each location can be either clean or dirty. Your goal? Make both locations clean. Your actions? Move left, move right, or suck up the dirt. The 8 puzzle problem. Now let's level up to the 8 puzzle. This is a 3.3 grid with 8 numbered tiles and 1 blank space. You can slide tiles into the blank space to rearrange them. Your initial state is the starting arrangement of tiles. Your goal state is the correct arrangement, usually with tiles in order from 1 to 8. Each move, sliding a tile into the blank, has a cost of 1. The N queens problem. Here's another classic: placing queens on a chessboard so that none of them attack each other. In incremental formulation, you start with an empty board and place one queen at a time. A clever transition model can mark attacked squares so you avoid wasting time on bad positions. This reduces the number of possibilities dramatically, from over 180 trillion to just a couple thousand in some cases. Crypto arithmetic problems. In these puzzles, each letter represents a unique digit. For example, in send plus more equals sign money, each letter must be replaced with the right number to make the equation true. Here, your state is the current letter-to-digit assignments, and your goal is a complete and correct mapping that satisfies the equation. The Tower of Hanoi. This is a puzzle with 3 pegs and a set of discs. The rules are simple. Only one disc can be moved at a time. A larger disc can never be placed on top of a smaller disc. Water jug problem. You have 2 jugs of different sizes and need to measure an exact amount of water. Farmer's problem. A farmer has to carry a wolf, a goat, and a cabbage across a river. The boat can carry only the farmer and one other item. If left alone, the wolf will eat the goat, or the goat will eat the cabbage. All these toy problems might seem like games, but they teach us the core skills of AI problem solving, clearly defining states, actions, and goals, considering constraints and costs, exploring the state space efficiently, choosing the right search algorithm. Once you master these basics, you can tackle much bigger, real-world AI challenges. That's it for today's session. In the next video, we'll see how search strategies actually work to solve these problems in the most efficient way possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.